ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Sasisen pat ka saprwai ba ka sapshat jong ki samla ka them ribhoi kala nang pa prthei hadin balala ban pelai pai ba ki artli ki music video hagalai phauter ko bunari saw arjar arpuwei ha bameri resort kabadon ribhoi district kini ki artli ki music video bat ka cover song hagaktin hindi bala pelai pai ba ki kenthop je ka music video na ka film ka ban supply shen ja ka bala ai kerteng mano but yagani ga jingrawai la ai kerteng kut shadam but ka way ga music video pan ka day ka bala ai kerteng kum ka hajo shi hajo but ka hindi cover music pan ya ka bala ai kerteng kasam se hagajing pelai pai ba yagini gi music video la sakilang do MLA jong ka nongpo constituency uba Meral Bonds aim u additional superintendent of police Karibhoy district UK Prasad Unongelam ke BJP, Uparlatur, Upresiden ke MEFILMA, Uba Commander Shang Peliang, Userdar jong ke ilakan Nongpo, Uba Wan Prangs Aim, Bat Kiwei. Laban kedo hangne baya ke jingruai naga film Mano, kabala jer kerteng Hakut Shadem, la pelai pai ba ha ke YouTube channel jong Ushan K Production, ya kabala ruai naga samla Ibanri Singkli, Bat Uba Sanbok Marbanyang, Baria Shimbenta do Ukershan Kamdait Kumuting Shop, Mat ke Lucy Ding do Kumkapuran. Kan baya ke music video bala jer kerteng Hajo Shi Hajo, la pelai pai ba ha ke YouTube channel jongka IS Production, bala ruai do Dunbok Marbanyang, bat ke Ibanri Singkli, bat la Shimbenta ha ke music video do Rocky Land Lalu Kumuting Shop, bat ke Nisha Nirmali na ke Jilla Assam Kumkapuran.
Let's say pin yekendo ipun kijing haka pasdang ban snai ka film to compare tenrei kamla ban long ba pin shu job suk yekino haka jing kamtam haka jing trekam kani klalai kadi ka wei naki daki benta ka kam ka jongpi ka business ka jongpi ka career ka jongpi te in between ya kata pin yekendo ipun kijing tenrei phiap ban long focus haka ta ka benta pin ya chakmat ban ngi scam pin sa job nang ni chakmat
Tokyo Irak hai ta ibenta ba pidon But I could play a team baro kabala banona ya kanika clipmat ko mentabakin release lightly kijinwai bang scam bakin ni kijinwai ken I mensie me ki kun samla ki wipat bakin kiu bak lat yokam kam de tang benwat kam sokar ndai sibun ba ki kam karon kam ngipat ya karai ka basisya but ken mauru ya kanika por ka clipmat kamta kabor laneka Bor kabari jong ka jingjob hi pro haka jingim ka jungi kum kibriu ngim de kam de ban tip baro haka de sing untang ni kum la batai iba komandar ka jingjob kabari ka jingjob jong ne ka sing kum ta baro nang ngim tip ka e bakile sedien har ka jing playstom jing tem na pit miet pe yong ka jong ki de ka e ka bangi yo smo ka ne ka sing kum ta kalong tang ka jing internet bangi yo smo ki jirwai ka bor bari jong ka jingjob ngide mentip ngimde mentip baro hadi tang kita ki balik ka bat laong bakane ka jingjob ro kadai ka jingtap ka jungka ka jing lum mental sing flight lightly ka jing pelang ni kini ki lightly ki ka jing show ki ka ba ka spa ba na ka bangigin show na ka wi ka singi show ka singi nadu ibaret bat hadu ibasandu.
I do also agree on this point that some of the speakers they said that yes, the Ribhoi is becoming a film city. Yes, that is very true. Only the thing is that we need to promote the youth to recognize their hidden talents, and I would also request the media also to promote them so that they need the support. The people, they will know them so that they can have that motivation to come in a better way and to perform in a bigger platforms, as many of them they have done it, and we can take the clue from them. What we have heard the song which was presented today, it is not less than any of the Bollywood singers. It is of that standard. that we could see. Nowadays, we could notice that due to misguidance, or maybe they are not having the proper informations, the youths, they are choosing the different path. We are stressed. And this is the media. The music is the media which provide a kind of solace. It has no age barriers, whether it is a young, old, or youths. All they love the good music. And to you, and it's my honor to inform you that even in the outer city, if you will go there, the people, those who are suffering from the stress and the depressions, these people are being treated with the musical therapy. They are being treated with the musical therapy, and that power the music has, that which can make the people stand if the good musics are there.
Ngidap lagi jing sokmen ke bakrau bangi i begini ki production house ki ba la sedang benmi apo ka tem riboy ke jungiru hakini ki kato kan itli ki snem ki balale kalong sisa ke jing ai mensim hadu kata-kata bat ba ngakan mau haki tang kumbasan riu snem mensua empat dadon ngimpat da yi ngimpat da experience ya ke jing mi jugi music video tumta tata Ndrei kum unong mi kmat ngai i bagani kajing persang jong ki kunsam lagi jong da kajing ai mensim jong ki weide ki balaya chakmat ki badan ha shelong ba ki weide ki jaka jong jela ga jong kalong sisa kajing ai mensim ban ngam aratin ban ong ba ki kunsam la na temri boy go ki jong ki labi chakmat ki lalong atpar bat ki weide ki artist ki badan sha ki weide ki district But kumju shabar jong kajalla ga jong. Hats off to all of you, beloved artists. You have done well. You have made our district pride. We feel proud to each and every one of you who have been render your service through acting, through different activities that you have been through in all this year. It's not easy. Kam long ka basup ban yai lang ba ha kan ke juk ko bukum kani kam long ko basup very tough time ki challenges ki ba phi ya kandu kumbaga ktin ko ong tang ubri bo phong ya ke juti ko pe su thu jing thar ki mau tang mau phi ki ban tip kan no ki jing jar ki ba phi la yai lang ba tang mau phi ki ban tip kan no jing e phi yai lang ba tang mau phi ki ban tip kan no jing sa kren ben phi ma tang mau phi ki ban tip kan no jing sa ki ben phi ma Bila se haka jing sedang jong ka karier ka jong phi kila unong ye phi uniu di unong pos new la ne ka ne di unong pos new kide ki dreamer but it's good to be a dreamer kiriu crowd jong ko percaya baro di bla de ban pos new shwa bun ki ke mi kid long he kid long crowd kid long artist beper bagi salong pat aku ibeski dagin ya lang ba ya jing song tenat ya jing ruai ki music video ba kum ta ta hagi juk ki ba kham man shwa ngar odi ba ju sultanat ba ban sngap di jing ruai hindi ki ba jing ruai ki barim ki melodies ki jing ruai la do jong Kishore Kumar Muhammad Rafi nga ju sultanat ba ban sngap ti don ki bar ki ben nga jumte kamno phi ju sultanat ban sngap jing ruai ki barim musubang syo samthia ba kum ta ka lyrics ki kedin ki ba ki don ki jingmut ki sur la da phin sngap ya ka sur hakiki ni ki film ki bamen shwa kadon ka tu jing ring ka basultanat hadu kata mentala de fit pet ki jing rai ki ba pher ki ba mi menta ki pasuk di ki ba gila remix mong ki tu jing rai ki ba rim haki snam dru pho ki nyo pho pa pho ki film indi darwai biang ban remix ban pen itnat ban pen ba ban kumta te ban pen itnat te kalong ki basultanat bani i ha ka ski ya ki sap ki phong ki jompi bat ngi ngej scam bat ngi kitbok riang ya barok kini ka artis ki bi ki matang i kelanang bun na kapor sa kapor ka nong idap lagi dokumen ban ngi kitbok riang ya fi barok ki samla kente bat senrang to nang ya sakmat kumulong mene ko sedang gi kindan sibut tang ma phi ki ban tip i kita te ngindon rangkat bat phi bandon hasenda ban kasyan ni phi ban aibu aibor phi